Okay, we found the keys. Got some really pissed off bees. Got the battery pack hooked up. I'm gonna see if it'll start. It's been sitting a full year. Okay, I'm in. Just like that. Red line for a good time. No tack. Okay, I'm gonna hop out of here real quick. Ooh, that smells like old gas. If only I had smell cam. Okay, shut the hood. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can go for a drive, break the loose. He's in 4. He's a peppy little bastard. Thing is pretty filthy. 236,000 K. I'm sure gonna have some pissed off bees now. Alright, let it run a while. I wonder if it's worth fixing. Probably, well, no, I guess not. All that rust. If it wasn't for the rust, dents might be worth fixing. Subscribe for more vids, guys. I haven't been on the road since May 27th, 2003.